number 4 with defects. Case diary.
In this case, my lord, also
And
it appears
report
to be
has
needs to be
been
correction.
Needs to be.
Correction, my lord, in cause title. My lord, I have remember one time before Honorable Justice A.K. Trivedi, the question was once raised that under what capacity the juvenile can be execute power. And sometimes we have made correction in some of the petition, but again the procedure are not being followed.
Anyway, Avito, whatever order I will pass, in that I will do the correction. No. Is there any defect in the case?
There's some defect is there.
Opposite party. Sanjay Kumar.
Needs to be removed.
Yes, there are several defects.
My lord,
6.1 to 6.11.
one big time to remove the defect, including the correction of the cause title.
Number 2 में list down 4-8 करते हैं. What is the matter?
My lord, the bail of the juvenile child conflict with the law has been rejected by the trial court and thereafter the appellate court. There was an allegation that the petitioner and one Pavan has also assaulted the husband of the informant.
What is your age?
My lord, the age 15 years, 10 months, 15 days. It has been assessed by the juvenile court.
Yes, Mr. Dayal, what has come against him?
The SR report suggests, my lord, that paragraph 36 and 35 says that some of the neighbor of the petitioner has complained with regard to the bad society.
He has no criminal antecedent. Paragraph 3 says that petitioner is having clean antecedent. What is there in the social investigation report?
मतलब किशोर कमलेश कुमार राय में सुधार की आवश्यकता प्रतीत होती है। इसे बाल सुधार गृह में रखने हेतु माननीय न्यायालय विचार कर सकते हैं। एंड रिपोर्ट में आया मतलब इस बात में 7 गवाह का परीक्षण होना है एवं 3 माह के अंदर निष्पादित होने की संभावना है।
ये बिलो 16 ईयर्स एज का
3 ईयर
इसका केस तो इंक्वायरी में होगा, जुवेनाइल जस्टिस बोर्ड में होगा। 16 साल से नीचे का है
जी।
नहीं है लेकिन डायरेक्ट एलिगेशन इन्हीं पर है, इन्हीं के खिलाफ।
खोलिए।
My lord, have a glance to the appellate court.
देखिए ऐसा है,
चार्जशीट केवल इन्हीं के खिलाफ हुआ।
हमारा डिवीजन जजमेंट आपने देखा है ना, लालू कुमार। डिवीजन बेंच जजमेंट सेज कि जुवेनाइल के केस में बेल मस्ट बी ग्रांटेड अनलेस एनी ऑफ दीज 3 कंडीशंस। तो जब तक एक्सेप्शंस में नहीं आप लाएंगे इस केस को, और खास करके जो 16 साल से नीचे का है, who will stand as surety for him?
Okay.
His father and mothers are living at Calcutta.
That is there, my lord, that father will take care and will take up the child to the Calcutta, my lord. And as when he will be required, my lord, they will produce in court.
He is also a student of intermediate. It has come in the report. उपस्थित पड़ोसियों एवं ग्रामीणों ने पूछताछ के क्रम में भिन्न भिन्न विचार व्यक्त किए।
जी।
कुछ ने किशोर का आचरण अच्छा बताया तथा कुछ लोगों द्वारा किशोर के आचरण संबंधी शिकायत भी की गई है। संगति का प्रभाव है, संगति का प्रभाव है। Allegations are against 2 persons
2%.
and one
one
injury has been found on the head. लिखिए, that counsel for the petitioner undertakes to remove the defects within 2 weeks from today. Full stop. Third, Land Council for the petitioner, Land Council for the informant, and Mr. Akhleshwar Dayal, learned APP for the state. Petitioner in the present case is seeking setting aside of the judgment and order, para 1. Next. Land Council for the petitioner submits that as per the prosecution story, this petitioner is one of the assailants of the deceased. But the postmortem report shows only one injury on his head, which proved fatal for his life. Full stop. Next, it is submitted that the petitioner has been adjudged juvenile, aged about 15 years 10 months, and he is a student of intermediate, which has come in the probationer's report also. Full stop. Next, it is further submitted that petitioner has no criminal antecedent, and in case the petitioner is released on bail, his father, who is working as a driver at Calcutta, will take the petitioner with himself and shall ensure his studies at Calcutta, as well as that he would not fall in bad company. Full stop. That counsel for the informant has opposed the prayer for bail of the petitioner, as according to him the petitioner is one of the assailants of the deceased. Full stop. Land counsel, however, does not deny that the petitioner has been found aged below 16 years, and the inquiry against him is still pending. Full stop. Mr. Akhleshwar Dayal, learned APP for the state, has also opposed the prayer in similar terms. Full stop. Next, having regard to the submissions noted here in above and the materials available on the record, comma, on finding that the petitioner has been found aged below 16 years, he has no criminal antecedent, and his father is ready to stand as surety and furnish an undertaking that if released on bail, he will take care of the studies of the petitioner by taking him to his place of working, and shall ensure that he doesn't fall in bad company, comma, he has otherwise no criminal antecedent, comma, therefore this court sets aside the impugned judgment and directs release of the petitioner on bail subject to conditions usual दे दीजिए. All such conditions will be there. Father will stand as surety and will give an undertaking. वो सब डाल दीजिएगा. Probation officer shall keep on furnishing periodical reports, etc.